Yo, welcome to the family. Here at W8FX, we're stacking wins, stacking dreams, and stacking bags. Let's get it. Welcome to your ultimate Forex calculator, the smart way to plan every trade. Trading without knowing your pip value or margin is like flying blind. With just a few inputs, calculate your pip value, margin, and position size instantly. Let's enter a real example. One lot of AIR USD with 100 to 1 leverage. The calculator instantly shows your margin requirement and pip value. It also helps you manage your risk with accurate position sizing. This way, you never risk more than you can afford to lose. Whether you're a day trader or a swing trader, this tool saves time and boosts confidence. Start using the Forex Calculator now and make every trade count.
Hey guys, welcome back to W8FX. My name is Shola. So let me quickly share my screen with you to demonstrate the practical aspect of this Forex Calculator. Let me just check if I'm still recording. Okay, still recording. Okay, this is the app on my Android phone here. Forex Calculator. You can see this is the logo. It's the same thing on iOS. You can get it from the App Store or Play Store on Android. Just search for Forex Calculator, and there are a lot of it, but this is the one I want to use for this tutorial. So you download it, then let me open it. So click on this top left three dots here. So you can see position size. So let's click on position size. In this place, we want to know, okay, how much are we going to be risking per each trade. So this is going to be determined by, okay, how much is the overall capital that we have to trade the market. So which is going to be different from each trader. It depends on each trader. So for example, here is saying account currency. I'm selecting USD. Here instruments. For this tutorial, I want to use GBP USD. There's a lot of instruments. Here is balance. Okay, let's say my total balance is 200 USD. And risk per trade. This one, it depends on the trader risk tolerance, and also it depends on the trading frequency. It is trader that trade less can increase its risk, because it trade less. It will need more risk to make enough money. But trader that trade more, you need to reduce the risk per trade. So let's say I'm trading a lot, so I'm reducing my risk per trade 1%. So then stop loss. Let me click on calculate. So it's telling me now that risk amounts, like, okay, for my account capital, which is 200 USD, I should not risk more than 2 USD per trade. The other one are lot size, different kind of lot size, unit, standard, mini, micro. So we are interested in standard lot size. It's writing 0.15. Okay. So now let's say we have more than 200 USD. Let's say we have 2k. We have 2k USD. Let me click on calculate. So it's telling us that, okay, now we have the capacity to use 20 USD per trade, and we are still risking the same amount of 1%. The reason why we need to risk the same amount per trade is because the outcome of every trade is unknown. So we need to keep our risk at the same level. We need to keep it constant so that our trading edge can appear over time. So this page is all about to know, okay, how much are we going to be risking per trade, which we already know is 20 USD. Depends on this account size. So this place is where we need to put our account. Someone who have lesser than 200 USDT we put it, someone who have more than we put it. So that's all about that. But for this purpose tutorial, we want to use 2000 USD for example. So we are going to be risking 20 USD per trade. Let's go to the next option. Let me check if this thing is still recording, because it can be painful. Okay, it's still recording. If someone do the video now and it's not recording, so I need to keep on checking. It's still recording. Okay, let me resume the video. So the second one is stop loss and take profits. So let's click on it. Let's see how it works. So it's still the same thing. It's asking for account currency. We select USD. What instrument are we trading right now? So you can select the instrument you want to trade, but for this video I want to use GBP USD. GBP USD. So I'm selecting GBP USD. Then trade size, we don't know. That's why we are here. We want to know our lot size to be used, the accurate lot size. Entry price, okay, let's say this current market entry price. Okay, stop loss, we need to check the stop loss from the charts. Okay, this trading view, let me just open it for. Okay, this is just a demo account for the video purpose. Okay, if we are buying, our stop loss will be below the entry price. So let's say the stop loss is 1.32625. okay, it's already there, 1.32625. good. So our take profit, let's just select, let's use this. Okay, now we want to buy. If you want to buy, we have to click on long. If we want to sell, we have to click on short. So for this time we want to buy, click on long and calculate. Oh, trade size that we don't know here. We have to play around with these numbers to get what we are looking for. So let me use 1 million lot size, which is 0.10. Calculate. So okay, the take profit, I think there's something wrong. Let me just look at the chart and select take profit price. Let's see our take profit will be here, 1.32720. Let me stay there at 1.32720. Okay, calculate. So the stop loss, the risk amount, we are risking 15 USD, and the peak value is $1. So what we are to risk is 20 USD according to this account size. Risk per trade is 20 USD. So we want to increase this a little bit. Let's say 0.11. 0.11. Calculate. This 16. Let me just clean this first. Take profits. 0.11, 16. We are looking for 0.2. We are looking for 20 USD. So let me increase it more. Let me increase to 0.14. 21 USD is too much. Let me decrease it a little. 0.13. 19. Very close. 19.89. So we can use this 0.13 now if we have to take this trade right now, and to make sure we are not risking more than we plan to risk. So these are going to be the lot size for this account. So you can just go ahead and enter it on the MT MetaTrader platform. So 0.13 GBP USD, 0.13. So is a mistake. just delete if you make a mistake. Okay, there's no need to delete. I already entered 0.11 instead of 0.13. I can just go ahead and open another one. Let me delete this previous one. I can just go ahead and enter the remaining one, which is 0.03. That's one method. 0.03. Everything together is now 0.13. So that's one way to do it. Or let's say I did not do this mistake. Let me just do this one. Let's say I did not do any mistake. I just come here, I just enter 0.13 straight. But entering 0.13 has not yet secure our risk. We need to put the stop loss price. We need to put the stop loss price to make sure we secure our risk price, that we are not risking more than that. So 1.32625. Like this now that the stop loss price is in place, there is no way we are going to be risking more than 20 USD. There's no way. But without the stop loss, we can still risk more than what we are prepared to risk, because there is no stop loss. Trading without stop loss is not advisable. It's a poor trading habit. So we need to always trade with stop loss so that to protect the remaining balance. You only expose what we plan to expose. So that's just it. That's how to use Forex Calculator position size. Yes, that's just how to. So in case of let's say we are following signal, like maybe we are trading signal, and we have take profit price, not even one. At this time we have like two take profit price. Maybe we have TP1, TP2. If we have more than one take profit price, what that means is that we are going to open more than one position. Let's say the take profit price is 2. Let's say TP1 and TP2. So what we are going to do is we are going to open 2 position, and we are going to divide our risk per trade. We are going to also divide it into 2. That means we are taking partials. So instead of us trying to risk 20 USD on one trade, we are going to risk 10 USD. So that means here we are going to divide it. 13 divided by 2 should be around 6 or 7. This is 7. 0.07. You can just do it like this. Let's do 6. Okay, good. This one is better. So you can just use 0.06 for each of the. That means if you are having more than 1 TP, like we are following signal, there is more than 1 TP, means we are to take partials along the way. We are not going to wait for the TP. So let's say the first TP is here. Let's say first TP is here, 1.32680. Here select price 1.32680. Click. Wait. There's something wrong somewhere. Our entry price is this. Okay, let's say our take profit is going to be here. Let me zoom in this. I think the chart is okay, so I can see what's going on. Oh my god, it's because I've chance to say this thing is showing error. If you are not doing something right, it will keep on showing error. That means something is wrong. You can see that this take profit price is showing red, which means something is not correct. And even if you look down here, it's not showing any information about take profit, because this is signaling is because I over zoom the chart, so I'm not really seeing the charts in full picture. I'm only seeing this place. This is what I'm saying. So I thought this green line is the entry price, and this is not the entry price. This is the ask and bid price. So when I zoom out now, you can see that the entry price is there. So the TP, if I'm buying, the take profit needs to be above the entry price. So that means, let's say this is the TP1 1.32903. You see that everything will work fine now. 1.32903. Hope we're still recording. Okay, and the mic is still on. So calculate. Good. You can see it shows take profit information now. Okay, so let's say this is the TP1. It's telling us the gain amount 7.5 USD. So we are going to post the TP1. You have to come to the empty MetaTrader and put it. Don't forget to put it once it is indicated that we should take partials. So you have to remember to put it as well, so that automatically once the price hits that our TP price, automatically it will close the profit. 1.32903. So done. So we don't have to worry about the TP1. Then we open the second one. If you have two TP, if you have two TP to be taken, we are not going to use the whole 20 USD like this we did in the first place. So let me delete the first one. Let's see. I think that's just how to go about it. That means we're just going to divide this thing. If you have more than one TP, you are going by 0.06, 0.06. But if there is no partial profits to be taken, you can use your 0.13. That's just it. So that's how to go about the position size calculator. These are the main thing to know about it. You can see there are still other options, margin, other options are there, but the main one we are going to be using often is this stop loss and take profit. So once we have our setup, we want to know our entry price, we put it here. We want to know our exit price, which is the stop loss, we put it here. Then we take profit, we can put it here. This one we don't know, which is the lot size, we don't know, but we are going to play around it and it will give us what we are looking for, because we already know the value of the USD we want to risk. So once we play around this, it will show us here the risk amount, so we get what we are looking for, just as we've done earlier. So that's just how to go about position sizing and getting the exact accurate lot size for each setup, because each instrument, this thing can be they go varied. It's not the same. It's not because we use 0.134 GBP that if you are trading another pair, we are using the same thing. No. So this calculator is going to guide us so that we don't trade blindly. So that's just how to use it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.